Asewugqibe ngayo fast ngomwana. Eyinhlelo wabhuthwa lapha ekhaya. Ngibona lesinye story. Hey madoda. Uthi hayi aka-relax lapha khona. Bafowethu ayo ngidibane nesoshala ngapha kude fixed stuff. Hayi khuluma kakhulu. Ngibasele inkinga la. Ngabe ibhesi right kanjani bafowethu? This is beautiful. It's beautiful. Sekufike isikhathi ukuthi manje kuphume. Ngabuka phela kuya ngasethunji, uyabona? Ngingalambi ngikude kanje. Hayi madoda. Kodwa-ke ngihambelani nabafowethu. Ngihambelani nani sikhuphane ngihambangi vacation. Ayeka nje bafowethu ukuthi umsebenzi wethiwa umsebenzi izinto zihlale ziqondile abantu babona ukuthi okay la kanje right. Abantu abazomdinga back home eSandgate zibakho honestly lesithathu ngisihlola sibusamathanda until Friday, yeah. The phone is 072 7W47804. The number WhatsApp, feel free to call. Just ask anything. My direction in is a PE, it's a Credo, it's a Queenstown, it's a Tata. Okay, nothing even from the Saban bus. And the sewer a Great Town, I want a Great Town, a Grahamstown, okay, I'm sorry, Grahamstown in the Eastern Cape Province. It's bad to guys, if you touch a bus, ne? Awugibeli uyokwehla eCockstead. If usuka eSky PE East London uhamba nge-public transport wehle Mthatha eSeekers Triangle. From lapho uyakugibela ku-taxi rank yakwaNcedo. Mthatha izokubeka straight eSeekers Triangle. From Seekers Triangle eMthatha izokubeka straight eLusikisiki. 2 hours only from Mthatha to Lusikisiki. Then in Lusikisiki lapho ngifonela khona ukuthi no dokotela arrive, then uzongena-ke nginikeze indawo ukuthi uzofika kanjani la esigodlweni engisebenzela khona. 0727547804. Sibonga. I'm in Durban right now. Tomorrow I'll be shooting with Dokotela TV in Darkroom Studio number 1. Bob Chavli. I'm so happy and so excited. It's gonna be for a third time, yeah. Why video start? Sikhuluma ngomsebenzi wethiwa ukuthi abantu base-South Africa basizakala kanjani kubela bendabuko. My name is Dear Solomon, all the way from BC. Yabo.